You've seen multiple videos online and you've seen multiple videos talk about whether or not the Amazon influencer program is really worth it. But I can tell you from experience, it is worth it. But again, it really will depend upon how much time you want to spend with it. The more time you spend, the more you could potentially make. When it comes to working online, you've got to be full on in. And if you're not, then you won't do very well, or at least most people won't. Your expectations should be based upon how much effort you put in, period. What's really cool about it is it is essentially a great way to create a passive income. Currently, I run a business, so when I have downtime, I do videos for products or product reviews, but essentially those videos will just compound more. And the more I do of them, the more I can make. Let me be clear though, when you're focusing on products, do not focus on products that have a high refund rate. Try to focus on products that solve a problem. Try to focus on products that people use daily. A lot of people focus on how many videos others have, but I'm going to tell you to not focus on that. Instead, focus on videos that people are going to watch and watch all the way through. This means if you've made 300 videos, make sure they are 300 good videos that really convey what someone may be looking for. But let's go back to, is the Amazon influencer program really worth it? The simple answer is yes. Maybe you've tried many things already and you're a bit skeptical. I totally get it. I've been there. I've tried many things. I've even spent a lot of money on programs that got me nowhere, but this one in particular was different. And I believe if you invest your time, which isn't even a lot of time, you could really take this to the limit above and beyond. Be sure to check out my other videos in the description box involving how long it takes to get approved or how to find out if you're approved. Subscribe for more tips and grab your free copy of my 3-step blueprint in the description as well.